Hi! In front of me is OPPO A18 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. You need to begin by selecting one of your apps that you wish to use in this view and accessing it in the background. In order to do that with Trick's navigation, click on this button with 3 lines. Now tap on those 3 dots at the top right corner of your app and tap on floating window. Now just tap on this tiny one. As you can see, now I can use my app in pop-up view. If you wish to scale it, you can hold one of its corners and adjust it. When you find the perfect size, let go. In order to move it around, hold this line at the top and drag it. To use it in full screen view, click on the top left corner. To close it though, select top right one instead. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!